Alright, what I'm going to show you is a real quick video of building a ramp on a shed. So here's the shed. I'm going to build a ramp. I looked online and there's a bunch of math problems and this and that to figure out these angles for this. So I'm just going to show you how to do it without any measuring with doing math or anything. So I put some blocks down here. Got a stringer, 8-foot stringer across there. I used some lag bolts to get it in. And I already got the angle, so I'm going to show you how I did it. Get yourself some of these angle joist brackets. I had to order them. It took a little while to get them, but I got them. So then you get your, this is a 2x6. So I got my 2x6. I screwed one of the joists to the shed right there. Put this in there. 2x6 in there. I dug a hole. I dug a hole right here. Put the board in it. Then you see where I want, there's gonna be a step up here, and there's gonna be a step up to the boards, right? The deck boards are gonna go on top. So I take this piece of brick, put it right next to it, and you just scribe a line, go all the way to the end. I took this off, got another piece of wood, and made a straight line all the way where my angle was. So that's how I got that angle. So I cut that angle. You can see it right here on this piece of wood. And then it sits like that. And this here, I think this comes at like a 45-degree angle. Put this up here, and I bent this up. It will fit. It's just, I took it off. Then I had to get this angle for here. So what I did was, with your uncut wood, I pulled this out, and I just scribed the line right here. Made the line go all the way up, and then I cut it, and it got that angle, just like that. And then now I can put this back on here. There's a screw goes in on the bottom here. I'll bend that back up a little bit. Screw all these in. Screw them into the board. Screw in the bottom there, and that will be that'll be all set. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this board that I made already. I was gonna take this board and just use it as a template. But if you notice, the space there is I don't know what, and then there's less space here. So the angle is going to be different from here to here. So I'm just going to do the same thing with the board. Dig a hole and do each board separately and find out what angle it's supposed to be. But that's how you do it without measuring and using a whole bunch of math. Well, here's some progress. I didn't dig holes and do all that like I said I was going to do. I just copied off that first one and just use it as a template for the rest. And it seems like it turned out pretty well. We're just putting deck boards here. As you can see, I'm using one deck board width to make the spacing. And the only reason for that is to save boards. This is all the boards I have. And I think I might be short one board still. So I was just trying to use what boards I have without buying any more. And it'll be fine. I put some stringers on here. I doubled up stringers going on here. Most of the traffic is going to go right in this middle section right here anyway. Might bring a golf cart or a lawnmower, so that's the extent of the weight. It should be fine. Those hangers are in there. There's like 2, 4, 6, there's 8 screws on each of these hangers. Each of these hangers here, and then there's one on the bottom. You can see this one came through, and the board sits. That board can't fall down with that screw in there, and it's also sitting on the metal of that bracket, so it should be strong enough. I've seen other people where they build up the ground and have it sitting on boards on the ground, and they put a layer of rocks on the bottom of patio blocks. I'm not doing that. This should be fine. Like I said, it's just for storage. We might put the golf cart in there, might put the lawnmower in there. So it's not a tremendous amount. I don't know how much a golf cart weighs, but I think it should be fine. But I can, as soon as I'm done here, I will show you the finished product, and that'll be it. Okay, here's the final product. I'm probably gonna get a little bit, put some more boards right there, or put some more bricks right there. I don't know. We'll see. It's not exactly lined up, but you know what? It's gonna work. I'm gonna try putting the golf cart in it right now. Let's see. All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh man, I think it holds the weight. Let's see. Now, makes it up, no problem. Over crack. Well, there you go. Weekend project, 1-day project, building the ramp. Got the golf cart in there, no problems. It's fairly easy. Anyway, hope maybe you learned something, maybe this helped you out. Anyway, if you like these videos, this is what I do. I do stuff around the house all the time. All right, in the shop, on cars, everything. Go ahead and please go ahead and give me a subscribe, and if you like the video, go ahead and hit like. Give me any comments. Tell me what I did wrong. Go ahead, put them in the comments. That's fine. I'm always up for criticism. And thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye.